Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So today we are going to put together an all digital paper deal that anyone can do, and we're going to throw in a couple laundry products and try to get this for under $10. So this deal where you spend $15 and you save $3 instantly on Cottonelle, Viva, Scott, all of those branded items is still going on. So we're going to do that today, and we are going to use some digital coupons. So the first things that we are going to grab is 2 of these Cottonelle 6-packs. So they are on sale for $3.50, and we have a $2 off too digital coupon. So let's grab these items first. So the Scott 6-pack paper towels and the 12 rolls of tissue are on sale for 2 for $8 this week, and they are also included in the spend 15 save 3. So we are going to pick up 2 of these items. You can get 2 of the tissue paper, you can get 2 of the paper towels, or you can do like I'm about to do and get 1 of each. I'm going to grab 1 of the 12 big rolls of tissue paper, and then we're going to go over and grab our paper towels. Now let's grab some paper towels. Again, these are 2 for $8 as well, so you can get 2 of these or 2 of the 12 packs of tissue, either or. We are going to use the $2 off 2 digital coupon. So now to keep it interesting, we are going to add in some laundry products. This is not a part of a 5 off of 20 deal or a 5 off of 25 deal. Of course, you can wait until Saturday and do these in conjunction with those deals. But if you need some paper products and laundry products right now, you can do these deals any day. So we are going to pick up a Gain liquid laundry detergent, and we are going to use our $2 off 1 digital coupon. They are on sale for $3.95 this week. We are also going to pick up 1 of the 34 count Gain dryer sheets. So these are $2, and we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon, making them absolutely free. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we are going to grab today. Now, if you do not want the Gain products, you can leave those off of this deal. These are not required, and since we don't have to meet a threshold requirement for the Gain products, you don't have to add them. But if you want to add them, I think they make this a really good deal. So we do need to get at least $15 in paper products, and we have met that with the Scott and the Cottonelle. So the Cottonelle, they are $3.50 each. So that is $7, and then the Scott products are $4 each. So that is $8. So now we have purchased $15, and we should save $3 instantly. We are going to use our $2 off digital coupon, $2 off 2 digital coupon on the Scott, and our $2 off 2 digital coupon on the Cottonelle products. For the Gain, we're going to use our $2 off digital coupon, and then for the dryer sheets, we are going to use our $2 off digital coupon. So this is everything. Let's go check out.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
All right, you guys, so here is everything that we got. We got our paper products there. We got our laundry products there. Let me show you an up close of my receipt so you can see the breakdown. So that worked out perfectly. Our discount for our instant savings came off. So that's where you see those store discount lines. There's the Scott paper towels. There is our digital coupon. We have the Cottonelle. We have the Comfort Plus, and we have the Gain with our digital coupon. Subtotal came up to $9.95, y'all. $9.95. Had a total savings of $13.50 for those 6 items, all digital coupons, y'all. I think this is a pretty good deal. I think that breaks down to like $1.65 per item. That is amazing when it comes to paper products. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to go out and just do these deals now, you can. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, I thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.